That's hello with the multi-emper report. The thing where I speak in Spanish, hablo en español primero, and then I speak back in the language that I can kind of somewhat speak in. Yes. So, primero, hay una tormenta tropical aquí en el Pacífico y hay un aviso de ciclón tropical por el SMN. Y lluvias fuertes a muy fuertes son posibles con esta tormenta. Y se prevé que esta tormenta convertirse en un huracán en el futuro en todas partes. No sé. Y hay algo también. Hay también peligros afectando tierra. Hay lluvias y vientos. Condiciones de tormenta tropical posibles. Son posibles hoy. Y luego, después, no sé. Y hay una vigilancia de tormenta tropical y aviso de tormenta tropical en la costa. Sí, es la verdad. Y aquí, en el noroeste Pacífico, hay una severo tormenta tropical Rumbia, y hay un aviso de número 3 por el HKO. Sí, vientos son posibles 41 hasta 62 kilómetros por hora, sí. Y por el CMA hay un aviso de amarilla. Sí, por el tifón. Tifón, sí. So, yes, let's go back in English. Right, so we've got Dalila. Dalila is predicted to become a hurricane in the future. The land hazards with this one are the heavy rains and the wind conditions, and they've got watches and warnings in effect for parts of the coast. And here is the satellite loop. So this thing looks like it's not going to officially make landfall since they've got it on the forecast. They show it curving away, but see, this is one of those things where it goes to show the storm does not have to directly hit you or directly make landfall to obviously bring ill effects to the area. However, Rumbia is definitely going to be making landfall with this one. Rumbia up to severe tropical storm status, and Hong Kong advisory is up to signal number 3 for that. And the CMA is at yellow at the moment, yellow warning for typhoon, and on their thing they also have maps for, what is this, marine gale forecast. This would be rainfall forecast, which was that millimeters? Is that? I have no idea. I don't do math, apparently. But I did look it up. The scale for China's warning system, let's see if I can find the main page, goes blue, yellow, orange, red. So blue with the rainstorm, that's kind of like an advisory type thing. This would be a low-level warning, so it goes as high. It would go yellow, orange, and red. So probably going to get upgraded to a higher color. I don't know. If you're paying attention to colors or something of the sort. And then we've got this Perturbación Tropical 90WP. But this thing, as far as I know, has not had an outlook area per the JTWC at all. Let's see if it's on here. So it looks like it's probably falling off a bit. Falling off the map a bit with this one. But yes, so this definitely going to bring ill effects. And of course, this bringing ill effects over here to the coast of Mexico as well. In severe thunderstorm related news for the US today, we've got as high as a 15% chance of winds and hail. Let's refresh this, make sure there isn't a watch in effect at the time. The mesoscale discussion that was in effect was for a possible watch. So this area, stronger storms are expected to develop this afternoon across central eastern Kentucky and potentially eastern Tennessee. Some could become severe. So watch possibly. See, on this thing. Watch possible is how you say it in English. There were several warnings in effect, however, all of them related to rains and no severe thunderstorm warnings, so nothing has kicked off as of yet. In general today, this is the wind map showing the probability of vientos, 58 miles per hour and greater, so a whole bunch of states are affected by the at least 5%. 5% back there, and then, of course, there's the core of your threat today for wind. Similar story on the hail, where the 15% is there. 5%, not as large of an area on those things. So this would be showing the probability of hail 1 inches or larger, and for some reason, the tornado thing is out there. There we go. There's the tornado map showing a 2% chance today for a tornado of any size. So if you're not familiar with what any of the numbers mean, what we do is we'll pick this random point in the state of New York, and what you do is you draw a 25-mile radius circle around it, and the 2% means that there's a 2% chance of a tornado occurring somewhere within that 25-mile radius circle. Tomorrow, not very high. And it's also starting to tame down. I don't think it... Calm down or just tame. Things are getting tamer. Now's where you get the heat strokes and the heat waves. How exciting. So tomorrow's outlook map, at least as of now, just 5%. But that was kind of true. That was true of yesterday. Yeah, and yesterday ended up with the 15%. So that's why you always pay attention. Well, you should pay attention anyway, regardless. Even if it's not severe thunderstorm. Because, heat kills too. Heat is not fun, yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.